Hi, hello, dear students, everyone. How are you all? Okay, this is Tamil Arasan Max teacher from Vidya Lakshmi CBSE school. Okay, this session we are going to see NCERT Max chapter 1 real numbers exercise number 1.1 question number 2 and example 2 and 3. Okay, my dear students. Okay, see what is the question? Exercise number 1.1. Exercise number 1.1, question number 2. This is exercise number 1.1 before question number 1. Already we see the before video. So anyone we can't see the video, please watch the first video. So then only understand this second one. Okay, my dears, exercise number 1.1, question number 2. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where q is some integer. Q is some integer. Okay, see solution. Show that any positive odd integer. So let I am going to take, let A be any positive odd integer. Next. So here see the question of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. See this, what is the Euclid division lemma? A equal to B cube plus R. Okay, so compare this, A equal to 6 cube plus 1. So see this, what is the value of B? 6. B is the divisor, my dears. Yes or no? Already you know very well. So write here B equal to, so what is the B value? 6. 6 is the divisor. Okay, next we can see by using Euclid division lemma. By using Euclid division lemma. So what is the formula? A equal to B cube plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. So this is the condition for remainder, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Okay, already you know very well about the formula and explanation. So see this, what is the value of A? Don't know. And then B, substitute the value of B is 6. So quotient plus remainder. So 0 less than or equal or less than. So what is the value of B? See 6. Okay. So what is the possible remainders are? Therefore the possible remainders are so tell me what is the possible remainders. So first one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and last one is 5. Because less than 6 means we can take less than 6. So last value is 5, up to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the possible remainders, yes or no? Okay. Now I substitute here if, okay, now so I take the remainders. If R equal to 0, we substitute now A equal to 6 cube. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So A equal to 6 cube. Next, if remainder I am going to take 1. Next is 1. So A equal to 6 cube plus 1. Next I am going to take 2. If remainder equal to 2, so A equal to 6 cube plus 2. Next, if I am going to take next remainder 3, if R equal to 3, so A equal to 6 cube plus, so what is the remainder here? 3. If remainder I am going to take 4. So a equal to 6 cube plus 4. Then now last one, if remainder equal to 5, so what is the integer? A is equal to 6 cube plus what is the remainder? 5. So this is possible integers. Next, see this, remainder equal to 0, we are getting a integer is 6 cube, and a remainder equal to 1, 6 cube plus 1, remainder 2, integer is 6 cube plus 2, remainder equal to 3, integer is 6 cube plus 3, and a remainder equal to 4. So a 6 cube plus 4, remainder equal to 5, a equal to 6 cube plus 5. So this is our result. Now here, yes, see this 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4, this is even number, because here a equal to, first one I take 6 cube, next 6 cube plus 2, and last one 6 cube plus 4 are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2, yes or no? This is for common for 2 table. So 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4 are divisible by 2. So it is a even number. It is even number, even integer. Okay, next I am going to take, so what is the remaining amount? It is a 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4, already I took it. Now 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 1, and 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5 are, see this, see students, this is remainder 1, 3, 5. So definitely we will say it is not a divisible by 2. So are not divisible by 2. So definitely we say it is even number, it is odd number, it is odd integer. So final result, so see the question, show that any positive odd integers is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. So write a any positive odd integer, any positive odd integers is of the form 6 cube. See the question, what is the odd integer? 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Hence prove. Hence prove. Okay. So see the question, any positive odd integers is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. Okay. This is the solution. I hope you all are understood this concept and sum. So you have any doubt, please enter your comment box. I will clear you because I am going to give one example. Okay, see my dear students. So I am take what is the odd integers? I am going to take 5, 7 and 9, 3 numbers for example. So here say, so what is this? This is for odd numbers, yes or no? This is for odd numbers. I am going to take, so what is the integer here? A equal to B cube plus R, Euclid division lemma. See here, A equal to 6 cube plus R. So I am going to take A is 5. So what is the divisor here ma? B equal to 6. So 6. It is possible for, what is the quotient? Quotient is 0 only. 6 into 0, 0 because less than the divisor. So remainder we are get 1. Next I am going to take 7. Divisor is 6. So I putting 1. 6 ones are 6. So what is the possible remainder is 6 ones are 6. Remainder 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, next 9 I am going to take. 9. Divisor is 6. So it is possible for one time. So I get a remainder is 3. 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So next I am going to take another one number 11. So divisor is 6. 1 6 are 6. So 6 11 minus 6 remainder 5. So see the remainder dear students. These are 1 3 5. You take any positive odd integers, we will get a remainder 1 3 5 only. Where it is possible, divisor is 6. Okay. Okay. Thank you my dears. Next we will go next sum. We moving on next one. Okay my dear students, so listen. Example 2. So what is the question? Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q. So what is the given? 2q, and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1, where q is some integer. Okay. So see this, I am going to take, let a be any positive integer. Okay. So see this, here what is the divisor? Here 2 and here also 2. I am going to take here b equal to 2. So I am going to take using Euclid division lemma. What is the formula? A equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Now substitute the value a. What is the b value? 2. 2q plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than. What is the divisor is 2. Yes or no? Okay, see, a equal to 2q plus r, it is a integer we have taken. Okay, next the possible remainders are, 0 less than or equal to remainder and less than 2. So what is the possible remainder? 0 1 only. Is it? Okay. Next I am going to substitute here, if remainder equal to 0, so substitute here a equal to 2q plus remainder is 0, so a equal to 2q. Next remainder is, if remainder equal to 1, so a equal to 2q plus 1. So this is the possible integers. Next you see this, remainder equal to 0, we get a equal to 2q. Remainder equal to 1, a equal to 2q plus 1. So result, our conclusion, if a equal to, what is the first answer? 2q. If a is 2q, then we can say it is a even number. It is an even integer. Next, if a equal to, what is the second integer? We got 2q plus 1. It is an odd integer. Okay. Understood? Okay, see the question again. Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q. So, even integer is of the form 2q. Second one, and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. See this odd integer we got is 2q plus 1. Understood? It is very easy problem. Okay, we moving on next one. Okay, see my dear students, what is the question? Example number 3, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. It is clear what is the divisor given? 4. Compare with Euclid division lemma. So, what is the remainder is 1 and then divisor is 4. So, I am going to take, let A be any positive odd integer. Okay, next one. So, here what is the divisor? What is the divisor is given? Given is 4. So, divisor 4 by using Euclid division lemma. What is the formula? A equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Substitute the value. So, A equal to, what is the B value? 4. Substitute my dear students. So, 4q plus 1, 0 less than or equal to R less than, what is the divisor is 4. Then the possible remainders are say this 0, 1, 2, 3 because less than 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Next one, the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3. Substitute here. If remainder equal to 0, we get the answer A equal to 4q. Next, if remainder equal to 1, we are getting A equal to 4q plus 1. Next, remainder equal to 2, we got A equal to 4q plus 2. The last remainder, if remainder equal to 3, A equal to 4q plus 3. Okay, this is the, we got the integer. Next, see my dear students, A equal to 4q and then here remainder equal to 2, A equal to 4q plus 2. See the both integer here 4q and 4q plus 2 are divisible by 2. So, it is an even integer, even positive integer. Is it clear? Okay, next, what is the remaining amount? 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 are, tell me what is it? Not divisible by 2 because remainder is 1 and 3. So, are not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2. So, our conclusion, it is an odd positive integer. Okay. So, final result, see, any positive odd integer any positive odd integer is of the form so what is the answer? Any positive odd integer, see 4 cube plus 1 and 4 cube plus 3, hence verified, hence proved or verified. Okay, see, any positive odd integer, my dear students, is of the form 4 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 3. I say one example, I am going to take any odd positive integer, I am going to take 17, okay, and then 19. So, I am going to divide 17. So, this I taken a dividend. So, what is the divisor? 4. So, what is the quotient? Divided by 17 by 4, 4 is possible. So, our remainder is 1. Next 19, 4 is the divisor, 4 4s are 16. So, 19 minus 16, the remainder is 3. So, see the remainder 1 and 3. So, see the question 4 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 3. You take any positive odd integer, my dear students, is it very clear result? Any positive odd integer is of the form 4 cube plus 1, 4 cube plus 3, hence verified. Understood everyone? If you have any doubt, please put the comment box. What is your doubt? I will clear you. Okay, my dear students, I hope you all are understood this concept and problems. This is exercise number 1.1, question number 2 and the related sum for example 2 and example 3. Okay, if you like my video, please share and subscribe, continuously watch my video. So, next we will see this exercise number 1.1 remaining sums. Okay, my dears, thank you.